The last part of this open courseware will be the conclusion. As a conclusion, 2 slides. The first one is still this table with the different processes and the different parameters you can obtain with this kind of processes. It's very important to choose what kind of processes you want to treat, depending mainly of the ore you have to treat and depending also of the product you will produce. And it's very, very important to have this knowledge to have the choice and to for the comparison and to take the best processes for your ore. That's the first conclusion. The second conclusion is that to develop such process, it's rather long, 8 years from the first laboratory test to finish processes and to a complete definition of all the different steps. It's very, very long. The process, as I already said, have to be adapted to the ore body. It's very important. You have to know the ore you have to treat in order to adapt your process, and also to the product quality, to the market you want to feed, and it's very important. And the conclusion, and you saw that with the different flow sheet, is that each process is unique. There are about 20 plants using such processes in the world, and on these plants there are differences, and all these plants are unique. I present you also that hydro process contains a lot of recycling loops of solution of solid, and it's very important to increase the recovery yield of nickel cobalt and to improve the quality of the product. And these loops have to be tested and at a continuous way, and that's the reason why you have to do these very huge and very long campaigns, pilot campaigns. The last thing is that you treat ore with very low nickel content, between 1 to 2% nickel content. The conclusion is that you have very high amount of residue compared to the nickel you produce, and very large quantity of liquid effluent. And it's very important from the beginning of the process, of the development of the process, to know what you have to do with this residue, to know the quality of the residue, and to know the quality of the liquid effluent. Thank you very much. That's the end of the courseware. If you want, you can ask a question on YouTube, and I will give you answer on all your questions. Bye bye.